Downloading an iolo product using Firefox browser. So first thing, I'm on iolo.com/downloads. This is where you can see a complete list of all the iolo products that are available to be downloaded. You can also scroll up to the very top, hover over downloads, and see the list of products. I'm going to click on System Mechanic for this demonstration. While on this page, you can scroll down and click on the big Download Now button, this big green button right here. You see the top right of my screen. This is where the download began. You see this executable file. Now, if I click on Open File, this will actually start to run the executable file, or you can click on this folder to see where it went. In this case, it's going to take you to your Downloads folder. You can see the file right here. If you need to re-access it, you just click on this Downloads icon, and I'm going to click Open File. Next, you click Run. And this is going to start the downloading of the specific product that you selected to download. And then next, all you need to do is follow the easy on-screen instructions to complete the installation.